So you may be asking yourself, I wonder why that helicopter is just hovering out there. Getting really close now. It's probably filming that house right down the street. This is what we're gonna get for the next, probably 48 hours at least. A bunch of news helicopters and everything. We had a tornado blow through our neighborhood. We were just on the outskirts of it. Yeah, my oldest son was at church, and my youngest son, he was with my wife and I. My dad had quadruple heart bypass surgery, and so he was with. We're all visiting my dad, and anyway, so that's what we were doing. We were on the north side of Oklahoma City. Yeah, this right here was over there, so it got flipped over here, busted. That was busted down, or it actually ripped off, and you can see I still need to fix it, but kind of ripped it a little bit. This fence post, I need to see if I can push that back, because it's, I don't know if something hit that or what, but it messed it up pretty good. Alright, let me get to the front. Oh, here's another one. Oh, see, there's one there. We got another one coming up here. Looks like a metal fight. I think we only had one fatality. So, alright, hold on, let me get the... Alright, so here's the front yard. Another helicopter. There it goes. So that's probably another news one. But yeah, we had all kinds of debris. Have all kinds of insulation. Different kinds of insulation. Their fence got blown down. Their fence really got blown down. And then, let's see here, where's my finger? Okay, so there's a stop sign here. You turn right, and then go up this way, and there's a small, what do you call it? A small, like daycare center. And it got the roof ripped off of it. My wife was in her car, I was in my car, and the truck got sandblasted. Just all on this one side. Kind of crazy. And then, yeah, I don't even know where that came from. My next door neighbor, she had this big old 4x8 sheet of plywood come over and hit her garage door. Her car's stuck inside. I told her I could help her out and get it out, but she's like, no, I don't want to touch anything until insurance looks at it. Yeah, it's all ripped down. But most of that tornado was on the other side of these houses. So, but yeah, for some reason my trash cans didn't get messed up, blown all over the place. But yeah, this fence, even though it was a metal pole, it got bent back. Which makes this not want to lock very well. So I gotta fix that. But yeah, looks like some shiny insulation or something. But yeah, we made it off pretty good. So alright, I might show some more later on, but this is what we're gonna get for the next probably 48 hours at least. A bunch of news helicopters and everything. So, alright then. We'll talk to you later. See ya.